Today we are going to be learning about the science behind baking creme brulee, or as I like to call it, Chem Brûlée. For this dessert, you will need 2 cups of whipping cream. Use whipping cream rather than milk because whipping cream is 1 part butter for every 3 parts of milk. It has a higher fat concentration, and the more fat concentration in the cream, the better, because it will make the cream softer and more creamy than it would be using regular milk. 6 egg yolks. Use egg yolks and not egg whites because the yolks have a lower protein concentration and more fat concentration. By using egg yolk, you will prevent the sugar in whipping cream from clumping while baking. 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar. Maillard reaction occurs between the amino acids of egg yolks and the sugar. When baking, the amino acids and the sugar combine together to form different molecular bonds, binding together the cream base. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for the delicious vanilla flavor. And lastly, boiling water for the water bath when baking. Now, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, combine the heavy whipping cream, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix that until smooth. Then add in the 6 egg yolks and mix again until smooth. That is it for the cream-based mixture. Now onto filling the ramekins. Get a deep 13 by 9 inch pan and put your 6 ramekins in. Fill each ramekin until almost full and then pour in boiling hot water. Because eggs cook fairly quick and at not that high of a temperature, if we were to put the creme brulee in the oven without a water bath, the cream base would scramble and make the final texture of the dessert gritty and rubbery. By baking the creme brulee in a water bath, the dessert will cook slowly and ensure that the content inside the ramekin is going to be evenly cooked throughout. Put the ramekins in the oven for 40 minutes and make sure to check the oven after 30 minutes to make sure that they don't burn. The creme brulees will be ready when there is a golden and bubbly layer on top of the cream. When they are done, take out the ramekins and let them cool for at least 2 hours. When the creme brulee is set, get out a small pan or pot and put 1 teaspoon of water for every 6 teaspoons of sugar. Bring that to a boil and let it caramelize. To caramelize sugar, the heat evaporates the water and sugar, making it heat up and break the current bonds to form new compounds, which results in the browning and hardening of the sugar. Lastly, take the caramelized sugar before it hardens and put it on the creme brulee. Make sure to spread it out thinly and evenly for a nice crisp break.
Now all that's left to do is crack it open and eat.